Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, and then we're going to be digging into Loopring, a layer 2 scaling solution. And so as we can see here, Bitcoin is up over $46,000 and Ethereum is at around $3,300. And so these are doing very well. The last week we saw a lot of smaller altcoins really start to push up, and that is a trend that we're starting to see more of. We're starting to see altcoins really start to move, and then we see Bitcoin run after that. And so that's a lot different than before back in 2017 when we'd see Bitcoin make a big move and then altcoins follow. We're starting to see altcoins actually make the move ahead of Bitcoin and then Bitcoin follow. And so that's just something to keep in mind here with the cryptocurrency market. And so if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. And so we're going to be taking a deep dive into Loopring today, and I am going to give a few reasons why I am bullish on the future for Loopring. They have officially announced that they are working with GameStop for their NFT platform, and then they also have a US patent for a decentralized exchange. And so we're going to be taking a look at some of that information here, but before we do that, I would like to take a look at this Bitcoin chart. And so as we can see, we did break through the resistance of $46,500, and we did have a daily close right above that. And so that is what I'm going to be looking to hold here. If we do fall back down, we could see Bitcoin start to fall back down here, and so that's just something to keep in mind. However, it is looking very bullish since we did close above that $46,500 level. And so something else to keep in mind here as well, if we are starting to see Bitcoin make a bullish move, we're going to see Ethereum pump up as well. And so if I do overlay these charts here, these are the Ethereum gas fees, and so right now they are still relatively low. However, when we start seeing Bitcoin move and Ethereum move, we're going to see these Ethereum gas fees start to go back up. And so there's a couple of reasons we may see gas fees start to increase. And so with the increase of Bitcoin, we have more retail that is interested in cryptocurrencies, and they may be interested in these smaller cap cryptocurrencies or meme coins that are listed on decentralized exchanges that will require Ethereum gas fees. We may also see an increase of interest in NFTs, and that will require gas fees as well if they are built on Ethereum, and so you got to use gas fees to mint those. And so as people are more interested, we're going to see gas fees start to go up, and so that is where we start looking for these alternatives for gas fees to be reduced in a lot of layer 2 scaling solutions. And so we can see here the difference in the price for between Ethereum layer 1 versus some layer 2s. And so to send Ethereum right now is about $4, and to swap tokens is about $20. And so as the gas fees increase, these prices are only going to increase as well. And so these can get up into the $100 to $200. And so we can see here that Loopring is 12 cents to send Ethereum and 82 cents to swap tokens. And so that is significantly cheaper than the Ethereum fees. And so right now people might be okay with paying $4 or $20 for the transactions. However, when those get up into the $100 to $200, people will be looking for alternatives, and that is when people start looking at Loopring or other layer 2 scaling solutions, and this is when the price of Loopring starts going up. And so we can see here on CoinMarketCap, this is currently trading around $1.09, and this has hit an all-time high here of about $3.50 in the past when there was a lot of speculation on GameStop, and so that has been confirmed now. And so that's something very bullish for the future of this, especially as they look to launch that at the end of July. And so that's something to keep in mind as well. And so I've been talking about this partnership between Loopring and GameStop since December when there was some information leaked on GitHub, and so some of their coding had the word GameStop in it. And so then I started to talk about that as a potential rumor, and now this has been confirmed. And so I believe that this could become the #1 NFT marketplace. OpenSea is currently the most popular. However, a lot of people do not know what OpenSea is unless you're really into NFTs or cryptocurrencies. And so GameStop will be a household name. People know what GameStop is. Maybe they trust GameStop more than OpenSea. And so I definitely think there's the potential for GameStop to become the #1 NFT marketplace. Users can now mint NFTs directly on Loopring's layer 2 for fractions of the costly gas fees that tend to result from minting on layer 1, approximately less than $1. And so as we looked at before, in comparison to Ethereum, this is significantly cheaper. The Loopring ZK rollup inherits Ethereum's layer 1 self-custodial security to ensure that its users receive the strongest digital property rights. beta users will get access to these massive speed improvements and lower cost, and start making deposits ahead of the full launch of its official marketplace that is reportedly coming soon. And so if they are working with GameStop, I'm sure that there's other corporations that will also be looking to work with Loopring as well. And so there is rumors around that they may be working with Microsoft as well, since GameStop has teamed up with Microsoft for its NFT marketplace that circulated last month, but this has yet to be confirmed, and so that's just something to look out for. We may see more announcements that Loopring's actually working with other corporations rather than just GameStop as well. And so if we go ahead and look at GameStop's NFT beta here, this is going to be launching in July, and so they do not have much on here yet. However, they do have a spot here where you can go ahead and connect your wallet. And then they also do have this noted that GameStop wallet browser extension is coming soon. And so they're going to have their own wallet, which I am assuming that Loopring is going to be building that, since they are pretty much the backbone of GameStop's NFT marketplace. And so Loopring is going to be closely tied to GameStop, and so this is something that's very bullish for the future of Loopring. And so the last thing I'd like to take a look at here as well is they already have a United States patent for the front running in digital asset transactions for a decentralized exchange. And so this is something also that is very bullish for this cryptocurrency as they continue to develop going down the road here. And then they have that partnership with GameStop, and then they have those reduced fees for layer 2 as well in comparison to Ethereum. And so if we keep seeing the price of Bitcoin go up, which will rise the price of Ethereum, we're going to see these gas fees flip, and then people are going to be looking for these alternatives, which therefore is going to increase the price of these going forward. And so that's just something to keep in mind. We got to plan ahead. If you're looking at Bitcoin and you possibly missed out, I think it is important to look at the big picture and think of where this could potentially be heading. And so as always, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion. So please do your own research. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.